Consistent with our company goal, Bausch Lomb Vision Care also strives to deliver above-market growth. And we have been demonstrating that as the fastest growing company in the industry with our existing portfolio. Today, we will focus on how we're going to build on that success with exciting developments in our pipeline, which will be meaningful for eye care professionals and patients and position Bausch Lomb for long-term sustainable growth. There hasn't been a breakthrough innovation in lens material in over 25 years. Historically, the product cycle in lenses has been very long. The last major innovation of lens material happens before the turn of the 21st century. Bausch Lomb has always led the way, setting the standards for material science and wear experience. Now, we are changing the game again. Introducing Project Halo, the first bioactive contact lens material. We are creating a new bioactive contact lens, which will be a platform that offers the benefits of bioactivities. And our first offering on this new material platform will be Project Halo, made with hyaluronic acid, or HA. What we're trying to accomplish here is not just a coating on the lens. This is also not us just soaking a lens in an HA solution. This will be an entirely new change to the structure of the lens material by polymerizing HA into its backbone. There will also be HA in the solution, and that's exactly how you get the benefit of double-dosed bioengineered HA, which will provide the ultimate wearing experience. It's truly one-of-a-kind technology that creates a new segment of contact lenses.
HA is a high molecular weight polysaccharide that acts as nature's sponge. A quarter teaspoon of HA can hold 1.5 gallons of water. We're making the structure of the lens out of HA, and then we are soaking that lens in HA. So this double dose of HA gives the lens some very unique properties. Initially, HA is fully retained within the lens matrix. Upon exposure, there is a steady linear release of HA from the lens surface, continuing out through 19 hours of testing. Recent studies show that up to 70% of contact lens wearers experience dryness symptoms after wearing their lenses all day. This lens provides a controlled wave of hydration all day long. It supports end-of-day comfort when patients need it most. This double dose of HA also supports tear film stability by reducing evaporation to help fight dryness symptoms and improve comfort. This bioactive lens achieves a 65% higher oxygen permeability than you'd predict based on a traditional hydrogel. And the ingenious part is that our scientists have figured out a way to do this without requiring any silicone. The bioactive lens has the lowest coefficient of friction that we've ever measured at Bausch & Lomb, reducing friction between the eyelid and the lens surface on each one of those blinks is key to long-term comfort. And we're delivering on everything that today's lenses have to offer, but we're adding the added benefit of bioactivity as we continue to innovate what a new lens could be. And this is just the beginning. Project Halo will be the first lens in this new bioactive category. We're very excited to announce that we've just started our first external performance clinical study in October.
While the new material is incredibly exciting, it's not the full extent of our pipeline. We are developing a next generation SiHy disposable lens. Thanks to our R&D and manufacturing colleagues, we will be able to make this lens our existing platform, making the lens a lot more accessible, expanding our global reach and profitability.
But striking the balance between high performance and a low-cost SiHy product and being able to produce it on our existing manufacturing platform was an enormous challenge. It required multiple iterations of materials and predictive modeling until we hit a breakthrough, resulting in a chemistry with high surface wettability that delivers exceptional comfort and performance. In addition, we are also leveraging the homeostasis benefits from our Infuse Ultra One-Day lens, which includes moisturizers, electrolytes, and osmoprotectants to support a comfortable wearing experience all day long. We plan to begin our first excellent performance clinical study next year with launch planned in 2029.
Although there has been a big shift of contact lens wearers from FRP offerings to daily disposables, insights show roughly 60% of the contact lens wearers entering the market end up with a FRP offering. There's still a gap between the comfort the patient feels on the last day of the month and the beginning of the month. We wanted to offer a lens that performs as well as on day 30 as it does on day 1. So we're working to develop a premium SiHy monthly lens to provide unsurpassed comfort over the full 30 days.
Bausch Lomb is known for its proven optical designs, and they've been applied to this lens to deliver crisp, clear, and stable vision for the wearer. But what really sets this lens apart is that the material is optimized to balance hydration and breathability, and most importantly, resist deposits, which are a main contributor to reduced comfort at the end of the month. The other unique part of this lens is that we specifically engineered it to seamlessly integrate with our lens care products, allowing the wearer to recharge their lenses with comfort-enhancing ingredients each night throughout the month. Our first external performance clinical study is scheduled for next year with launch planned in 2029.
Myopia, or nearsightedness, is increasingly referred as a global pandemic. It's projected to affect over 50% of the global population by 2050, especially among children and adolescents. This lens is specially designed to address the unique needs of this vulnerable population. It will effectively slow down the progression of nearsightedness for children and adolescents. At the same time, provide them with clear vision without compromising their daily activities.
Our cutting-edge design is special because it's designed specifically for kids with a customizable approach that balances their myopia control needs with their daily vision needs. It's a novel two-zone design with a central zone for clear vision to meet the dynamic needs of children, and a peripheral zone that contains the therapeutic plus power with the stop signal to stop the progression of myopia. It offers the customization of 2 lens options with different zone diameters. Dose adjustment is built directly into the lens. The first registration clinical trial for this lens is planned to begin next year in the first half with market entry in 2029.
One of the goals of Bausch Lomb Vision Care is to deliver above-market revenue growth. And we have done so consistently with our existing portfolio in the last 6 quarters. We're building a powerful and a meaningful portfolio to lead the next wave of innovation. We're creating a new category of contact lenses, and we're building a comprehensive portfolio. And we're doing it all efficiently, leveraging our existing manufacturing capabilities to expand margin and to maximize return on investment.